welcome in all. You are here with Tara of Cooking with J'5 Mom, episode number 2. Y'all, today we are making a banana pudding pound cake for a birthday cake that one of my faithful customers asked me to make for her. So right now, basically all I have in the bowl right now is just some Swan's down cake flour. I just add 2 1/3 cups of this along with, let me grab it, along with some classic yellow cake. I use a whole package or a whole box of this to go with that. And so basically, because I don't have a sifter, which I really don't like usually using sifters, I just take a big whisk and I just kind of just sift it myself to get all the clumps out. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. But what you would need is, this is optional. You don't have to use the Swan's down cake flour, but I do. Just follow the directions on the box of this, which I substitute water for milk. It just makes it more moist. And everything that you would need for your basic banana pudding, like vanilla wafers, whipped cream, banana pudding, instant pudding. Sorry, I can think of that. Bananas. I use some banana extract and some vanilla. And then for the frosting, I have like cream cheese frosting and whipped cream that I'm going to use to frost it with. So that's basically all you need. And of course, you need to preheat your oven because you are baking a cake at 325 to 350, whichever you like. And I'm just going to use 2 10-inch cake pans, round cake pans. So basically that's it. So I'm just going to continue doing this and I'll be back shortly. So right now I have mixed everything that I just followed the recipe on the box. I added in some banana extract and a little bit of vanilla extract. I put in my banana pudding. And now I'm just mixing this baby up. And I didn't crack my eggs over the actual mix because I didn't want to get any type of shells in it. So I just used a separate bowl and I whisked it in there and then I pour it in just to make sure I got all the shells in it. And the smell is really, really banana, y'all. Just like banana. And all my cakes that I make, I like for my cake to be stuffed. So, like my New York cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake cake is stuffed with cheesecake pieces. Banana pudding is going to be stuffed with bananas and cookies in it, whipped cream. But yeah, I just want to show you all how this mixing is going. So that's it. That's the mixing. So now I'm just going to put it in my pan. And my favorite baking spray that I use is this right here, Baker's Joy. I love me some Baker's Joy. It's perfect. Alright, so I'm just going to get this in the oven. I'm pretty much done on my end. I'm going to get it in the oven and let it bake until it's nice and golden. Alright, y'all. Look at this. Look how nice, thick, and smooth that is. So basically all I'm going to do is take a ladle, which I just got a simple ladle from the Dollar Tree. Go from here to here without trying to make a mess. And I count, so when I put in my next pan, I know exactly how many ladles I'm doing. And then I don't fill the pan up all the way because of course you know it has to rise. And I like thick cake. I don't know about y'all. I like thick, moist cake. Like your cake can be pretty as you want it to be, but if it's pretty and nasty and dry, I think that was 3. click and subscribe. Have a lot more cooking videos coming soon, y'all, especially cakes. Everybody loves my cakes and banana pudding. So I think that was five. I have to go back and look at the video and see. I'm just kind of just doing this right now. So this is number 5. If not, forgive me, I'm probably like a number off. And with that Swan's cake flour, y'all, it literally helps the cake rise. It's gonna get so nice and high. It's gonna be thick as well. However, the cake is gonna be very moist, as you can see. And I don't use water in my cake mix. I use milk. But you can use water if you want. You know, whatever you prefer. That's your business. Whatever you want to do now. But I just use milk. Everybody loves it. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do one more. Well, hold on, let me see, because I beat my stuff down. I'm gonna do one more and that's it. So that was probably about 7 of these, y'all. 7 or 8 ladles. And this ladle, just like I said, came from the local Dollar Tree. Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so now that's in there. I take it, I beat it down to get the bubbles out. Just like so. And I'm just gonna pop it in the oven and let it bake. Alright everyone, I am back. So we have let the cakes rise. I put a layer of just this cream cheese. I put that down so the pudding and the bananas and cookies can hold. Here are the banana pieces. I literally only used 1 banana, and I just made it in a circle so they got small in the middle. And I used Chessman butter cookies, which is this right here. These are the Chessman butter cookies that I put in the inside, which will give the cake a nice little crunch as well. And now I am putting banana pudding, the actual pudding on top, and I'm gonna put the whipped cream, and then that is going to be the filling of the banana pudding cake. It's going to be so good and delicious. It tastes just like a banana pudding, I promise. It's OMG. And then I will be back with the finished product. Talk to you later. Alright, so here we go. This is literally a banana pudding in a cake. You have your cream cheese, your bananas, a layer of Chessman butter cookies, your banana pudding, and your whipped cream. So now I'm going to do is just put the top layer on the cake. I'm going to get a picture of that real quick to add to the video so you can see what it look like. And I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before I do a crumb coat and put the whipped cream around it. That's it. Let me put the cake on top. See if I can get this even. Here it is, y'all. The cake is on top. Look at all that filling my customer gonna get. Hello everyone. Alright, so I'm here. I am crumb coating this cake. It may not look pretty while you crumb coating, but the end product will look very, very pretty and very, very good. And you have to work fast because whipped cream, pudding, all that good stuff will melt really quick on you. So I'm like crumb coating, stick it in the fridge. Crumb coat, stick it in the fridge. So we'll probably do like a little fast forward type of thing here just because, yeah, I need to hurry up and work. But this is basically all I'm doing is just a crumb coat. Then I'll come back and show you how the crumb coat will look in the end. are BACK. Y'all, so the crumb coat is on. Now we're finna go in with this whipped cream top layer. We're gonna put little wafers all over this cake. Gotta work quick though, because this is whipped cream and we all know how whipped cream can be. And excuse me, y'all, I'm working on getting me a nice turntable, so I'm having to do old school here. I'm just gonna take this whipped cream and go all around the cake like so. I'm sure y'all pretty much know how to ice in the cake though, so. This is a big cake, but that's me, because I like big things. I like bling and big. And if somebody making me a cake, I don't want no little skinny cake slices. These gonna be some thick slices. So this is gonna be 2 layers of whipped cream we're gonna do. Everything's just gonna cover up. So that's it. I'm just gonna continue to put whipped cream on here. I'm gonna actually do 2 layers of this. I'm gonna put this on, put it in the fridge, and put 1 more layer on, put it in the fridge. And I'll leave it in the fridge for at least 10-15 minutes before I put that final layer on. So I will be back. What's up, y'all? The cookies are hidden on the cake. I put the last layer of whipped cream around, so now we are sticking the cookies on. And these are just basic vanilla wafers. Yeah, I hear my little 5-year-old back there having fun. I mean, 6-year-old. She's a new 6-year-old. She listen to the Baby Shark. You know, everybody know about Baby Shark. Trying my best not to get the whipped cream on the cookies. And I'm kind of trying to do it in somewhat of a design. This is not a really good bag of cookies, honestly. Yeah, this isn't a really good bag of cookies at all. And after I put all these cookies on, I thought it was good. You know why this bag of cookies is like this? That's horrible. These cookies are expensive. We gotta roll with it. This cookie bag is not very good.
Daddy pushed the chair down. Let me see the cream.
This is not a very good bag of cookies. But we're just gonna have to make it work.
I got my leg.
Trying not to get the whipped cream on the cookies. That's like one of the hardest parts. as you get these cookies on the cake, just put it right there in the refrigerator. But we're not gonna worry about the cookies being on the cake because what's gonna happen is we gonna drizzle it with some pudding on it. And I haven't figured out how I want to do my top part just yet. But this is pretty much, you get the drift. I'm about pretty much done with it now, but yeah. So you're just gonna take your cookies, Jackson cookies, vanilla wafers, whatever you choose to do your cookies with, and just put it all over the cake. And then I will come back with the finished product. Alright, so what I have in this bag is banana pudding, which is a little bit watery because what I want to do is add a drizzle on top of this, a banana pudding drizzle. So all I did, I had a Ziploc bag and I just used that. So I'm just going to snip the end piece on it. I'm going to do it kind of small. If I could get it, let me see. Make sure we got the, there it is. So now I'm just going to take this without making a mess. And I'm just going to go back and forth over this cake. Come on, pudding. Here it comes. It's coming. Basically, all I'm doing is making a drizzle. Come on. And all the way around the cake. Like so. You can do vanilla if you want, but it may seem a little messy, but of course. I'm gonna put this in the fridge to let it, I guess, kind of thicken up. Let me turn it. I need a turntable, y'all don't judge me. And this cake is for somebody's birthday. Look at all that pudding, all that banana goodness. Alright, so there's plenty of that on there. So yeah, I just want to